Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Speak Everyday. I am your big brother and today I am here to just convey my message towards one and very important topic. And what is that topic? That topic is going to be how busy people can learn language. Basically, I am talking about English language, how busy people can learn English language. So without wasting any times and without wasting any seconds, please let's talk about our topic. So basically, if I talk about myself, my experience, so English is not a language that you need to just learn in the classroom and any institute. Yeah, it's important for learning this language. Environment should be should be environment, but it is not necessary if you are working professional and if you are housewife and if you are busy by any type of level like if you are doing job and if you are doing any type of business, and apart from doing that type of all things you also would like to learn this language. So you click on very right video, you can learn this language without wasting any time. From today start learning from today, this is my advice to you. And the question raised how you can learn without how you can learn with the busy schedule. So just learn by the listening and speaking. How you can when you do the household work like for example if you are a housewife and you are watching my video, so you can just learn this language by watching lots English content. And if you are unable to watch, because if you are starting watching one time on your mobile phone, that time you need to just focus upon on that things, okay? And that time you all are stop your housework. In that situation, your busy schedule will be will be disturbed. And if you don't want to do these type of things, you can just listen English podcast and English things. There is a too much videos on a YouTube which provides English sentence, and I will mention in the description which channels provides English sentence. You can join that channels also for just listen English sentence during your busy schedule, okay? So just listen them videos, them creators videos on a YouTube for learning good English. Apart from this, you can first of all listening. And if you ever get time in your busy schedule, if you have a doing the job, okay, 9 to 6 job, and after 6 when you are return from office to home, that time you can also learn English by watching some of the important and valuable content on a YouTube. And after then you can just practice on a different kind of apps. There are too much apps like a CV and PR app, and there is too much different kind of app. And there is a AI application also which provides lots free English practice to students, so you can just join them too. So this is a basic things. By using these type of things, if you want to really learn this language, so you can learn gradually by using these type of things. Apart from that, I would love to say that basically my channel Speak Everyday is also provide English content to you guys, to you people, okay? So if you like this video, so don't forget to share with your friends. And I would like to mention one thing also here. That thing is, if you want to conversation with me, I will reply to you when I get time, because I am making my videos, because I am also busy in my daily life in my whole day. That's why I'm saying to you, if you would you like to join my conversational video, if you would like to uh, want to do conversation with me, so you can drop me an email. My email ID is given in my about section in a YouTube. And go to about section and just write mail to my email ID, and I will be reply to you when I will get time to. Don't forget to, if you want to do conversation with me. Apart from that, let's start our topic from where I stopped. Yeah, I'm just discussing how we can learn this language with your busy schedule, okay? So I mentioned two things: just listening practice and speaking when you are get time in your busy schedule. After that, the language you will learn gradually. you have to make baby steps, first step, second step, third step. You can not learn in the one day and in a 1 month, because many people said that you can learn this language and you can become fluent in this language in a very short time period. But it is not, guys, true. It is not true. You cannot, not a English, not a this language, you can not learn any type of skills in very short time period. If you want to grab the opportunity to learn, if you want to if you want to go to the inner depth of anything, if you want to learn deeply, so you just have to focus on that type of things, and you just have to give your time, give your important time to learn that type of skills. You cannot learn fastly, you will learn gradually. It's a process of learning. Okay, so if you like this video, so please share with your friends, because I am making videos to you people and I need your support, people. So please just support my channel with subscribe and share and like also. And if you want to next video in any specific topics, so please don't forget to do comment in my video. Okay, do comment which topic related video you would love to watch in next video, which topic discussion you want to watch. Okay, so I will meet in the next video. Okay, so stay healthy, stay happy. Goodbye.